Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your favorite girl here this series, and on today's video I'm going to be showing you 3 effective brightening face creams you can incorporate to your skincare routine if you want to even out your skin tone and brighten your skin very well. You guys already know that Christmas is right at the corner, and if your face is still not looking bright or you are still wearing a dull face, guys, you need to pick out one out of these 3 face creams I'm going to be introducing to you all today and start making use of it, because why not? You need to grow. These face creams are going to help to tackle your dark spots. They're going to help to brighten up your skin and even out your skin complexion.
So guys, let's dive into the video.
Guys, the first face cream I'm going to be recommending on this video is the half-cast face cream. This face cream is going to help to brighten your skin. It's going to help to glow your skin. Currently, I am using the half-cast vitamin C serum, and the result is massive on my skin. So this particular face cream, I have given it to about 2-3 of my clients, and the result was massive. So this particular face cream is going to help to tackle your dark spots. It's going to help to brighten up your skin. Now, this face cream contains 3 main potent ingredients. It contains niacinamide, and as we all know, niacinamide, which is the vitamin B3, is going to help to tackle what? It's going to help to tackle your dark spots. Anything that is going to tackle your dark spot will definitely lighten your skin. This face cream also contains another ingredient, which is the orange, and as we all know that orange extract helps to lighten and nourish the skin. Another good effective ingredient contained in this particular face cream, the half-cast face cream, is the alpha-arbutin. This face cream also contains alpha-arbutin, and alpha-arbutin in this particular face cream is going to help to reduce the appearance of your dark spots and as well brighten up your dull face. This face cream is so good. It is so nice. It is also affordable. With 3,500 naira to 4,000 naira, you can get this particular face cream. And one amazing thing about this particular face cream is the fact that it can be used both morning and night. But if you're making use of this particular face cream in the morning, make sure you go hard with your moisturizer and your SPF. Face cream is one of the face cream out of the 3 face creams I'm going to be listing out today that is going to help to brighten and even out your skin tone. So guys, the second face cream I'm going to be recommending today if you want to brighten and even out your skin tone is the Face Facts Bright Plus Clear Face Cream. This is a pictorial view of what it looks like. This particular face cream is new in the market. The Face Facts products are now taking over when it comes to affordable skincare products, and this right here is one of it. Not just that this particular face cream is affordable, it is also effective. This particular face cream is very good. Like, it is very nice. It's going to help to brighten up your skin. It's going to help to even out your dull skin. Like, I don't even want to say much about this particular face cream. Just do your own little research about these face creams. This particular face cream is going to help to tackle your hyperpigmentations. It's going to help to tackle your melasma, and it's also going to help to tackle your dark spots. Not just that, it's also going to help to brighten up your skin because of the ingredients contained in this particular face cream. And the sweetest part of this particular face cream is the fact that it is so affordable. You guys, this particular face cream contains 3 main potent ingredients, which include the azelaic acid. It also contains kojic acid. It also contains niacinamide and as well tranexamic acid. These 4 potent active ingredients, they are what? They are all brightening ingredients. So why won't this particular face cream brighten your skin? These 4 ingredients are so powerful and would work on your skin if you use them very well. Now, the azelaic acid has an antioxidant property, also has an anti-inflammatory property and antibacterial property, and would also brighten up your skin. The niacinamide, the vitamin B3, as we all know, is an antioxidant that is going to help to fade or reduce the appearance of your dark spots and would also brighten up your skin. The tranexamic acid, as we all know, also has an anti-inflammatory property that is also going to help to reduce the appearance of your dark spots while brightening up your skin. On the other hand, the kojic acid also has a brightening property that is going to help to brighten and reduce the appearance of your dark spots. So one thing about this particular face cream is that it's going to help to reduce the appearance of your dark spots, reduce the appearance of your hyperpigmentation, and as well brighten your skin. Like, this face cream is going to give you a rich glow. Guys, if you want to use this particular face cream, use it only at night, and use it just 3 times in a week. Like, start slowly, because of the 4 main potent ingredients contained in this particular face cream. So it's not supposed to be used every day. It's not Mondays, Wednesdays, and maybe Saturday or Fridays, right? So just make use of this particular face cream just 3 times in a week, and let it be only at night, because of this active ingredient contained in this particular face cream. So we're trying to use products that lightens the skin, that treat our skin concern. Like, we're trying to make use of it the right way. Remember, I said if you should use this particular face cream the right way, you're going to enjoy the effects it's going to leave your skin with. So this particular face cream is being sold at the price of 7,000 to 10,000 naira, depending on your location, depending on where you're getting it. But make sure you're getting it from the right source, from the right vendor. This particular brand of the Face Facts face cream is actually new in the market. I don't think there is fake of this particular face cream in the market. Just know that the price range is between 7,000 to 10,000 naira. Forget that, yes, it might be little bit on the high side, but trust me, you're going to love the effect this particular face cream is going to leave your skin with. Just use it 3 times in a week, only at night. Then during the day or in the morning, go hard with your SPF and moisturizer. So guys, the next face cream I'm going to be recommending today, if you want to brighten and even out your skin tone, is this one called the Ailye face cream. I hope I'm getting the pronunciation well. This is a pictorial view of what the face cream looks like. This particular face cream is a banger. If you are someone, your face is always looking so dull, so dry, uneven, or so rough, you even have sunburn, my dear, go get yourself this particular face cream. Like, this is one of the most effective but slow in action face cream. You guys, this particular face cream is very slow to action, but very chill. This particular face cream is not a fast action face cream, but with consistent usage, is going to gradually give you this flawless, glowy skin. This particular face cream comes in 2 forms. It has the morning and it has the night. So for this particular video, I'm recommending just the night face cream of this particular product. Just get the night of this particular face cream and be using, and make sure you are getting it from the right source. Make sure you are buying the original. In interval of 14 days of usage, this particular face cream is going to help to brighten and even out your skin tone. Like, guys, you're not going to regret buying this particular face cream. Like, I can beat my chest, you're not going to regret buying this particular face cream. It works marvelously well on the face. It's going to help to brighten up your skin, to fade your sunburn and your hyperpigmentation. Like, guys, this particular face cream is so mild to the skin. It is so mild. Any type of skin can make use of this particular face cream. Like, make sure you're getting the original of this particular product, and you're going to love the effects. You're going to love the result it's going to leave your skin with. So if you're looking for something that is going to lighten your skin within 2 days or 3 days or even 7 days, this face cream listed here are not for you. So guys, these are the 3 best effective brightening face creams I have for you guys today that is going to help to brighten up your skin, that is going to help to even out your dull face. Just get yourself one of these face cream and start using it on your skin. I assure you that you're not going to regret it. Most of these face creams I just listed are not fast action face cream. Like, it works from interval of 14 days. That is when you're going to start seeing that wonderful result on your face. It's not something that if you use it today, you're going to start seeing results the next day. It is not a fast action face cream. This is not a treatment face cream that works within 24 hours or even 72 hours. This is a normal face cream. So my loves, I've come to the end of today's video on the 3 effective brightening face creams you can actually use on your skin if you want to brighten and even out your skin tone. So if you find this video helpful in one way or the other, please give it a huge thumbs up, and of course like. Not just that, subscribe. Like, if you're yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. Just hit on that red button and subscribe to the channel. I promise to always give out my best on skincare tips. I'm gonna be seeing you guys on my next one. Until then, remain blessed. Bye.